Hey guys, this is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a 20x12 Moto Metal 962 wheel and a 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tire. Now these Moto Metal 962 wheels, they're very popular because they're just classy and clean wheels. They're offered in a 17, 18, 20 and 22 inch wheel. They come in a gloss black with a milled finish, which is what this wheel is. It comes in a chrome wheel. It comes in a PVD center with gloss black lip. So it's essentially a chrome spokes with a gloss black lip, and then it also comes in a satin gray with a milled window. It comes in a 20x9, 20x10, and a 20x12, so you have many options on what you want to run. This Moto Metal 962 is one of the most popular wheels just because of the clean, classy look. It is just a clean spoked wheel, nothing more. It's a deep lip, which is very popular right now. However, if we're gonna start talking about these Radar tires, they balance well on these Moto Metal 962s. This truck asked for 3 1/4 ounces, so not very many. I'm very happy with the amount of weight it asked for. Here's the tread up close and in person. It's an aggressive tire. It's made by OmniSource. It's a very large manufacturer. Besides that, it's hard to go wrong with it. If you're looking at a set of tires and wheels and don't know what's gonna look best on your truck or what people are gonna like the most, these are a surefire bet, just like the Fuel Mavericks. Also, dealers, if you're looking at buying a set of tires and wheels for a truck and you wanna have something that you know everybody's gonna like, these are a sure bet to get a truck sold. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe a lift, or maybe some fender flares, or maybe some boards, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.